VDOT is a critical first responder agency, and on the weekend that started December 18, 2009, that was put to the test. Even before the storm, VDOT was pre-treating the interstates and primary roads with a brine solution to prevent snow and ice from bonding to the roadway. When the snow began falling, crews responded by working 12-hour shifts to provide 24-hour-a-day road treatment and plowing. While the entire East Coast was affected, no state may have been hit harder than Virginia, which saw thousands of accidents and at least 3 deaths. VDOT worked side by side with the Virginia State Police, National Guard, and local and state governments to get traffic moving and assist motorists. Across the state, dozens of tractor-trailer incidents were reported, and disabled vehicles snarled traffic and even stranded some travelers overnight. Motorists can always find real-time road conditions and weather forecasts on VDOT's Traffic and Travel website, www.511virginia.org. Call 511 from any phone in Virginia for road and traffic conditions on all major highways in the state.